Today, we're learning how to properly clean an Ascom patient station. There are 3 things to remember when doing this so you don't have Safe Connect pins corroding due to improper cleaning. First, use the right supplies. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe the station and make sure you use an improved cleaner. Second, how to do the cleaning. Slightly moisten the cloth with an improved cleaning solution. Ensure no lights are illuminated or flashing. Press and hold the patient station's cancel button for 4 seconds until its LED flashes once, then release the button. Cleaning mode disables the station for a period of time so any button press doesn't cause an alarm. All LEDs on the patient station and any modules attached to it will fast flash to indicate it is in cleaning mode. Gently wipe the surface of the station with a damp cloth. Clean any associated cords using a damp cloth. After 15 seconds, the devices will automatically exit cleaning mode and the LEDs will stop flashing. Use another soft, dry cloth to wipe the station surface. It is especially important to dry the Safe Connect pins thoroughly. Third, the cleaning schedule. We recommend you clean the stations after every patient discharge, but as always, follow your hospital policies.